Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natasha, I'm a Zumba instructor, and today I'll guide you through a 5 minutes long tutorial on how to dance Jerusalema. Prepare your left foot for the start. We will be tapping 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we switch to the right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we keep shuffling. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So let's do that all together. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle 2, 3, and 4. We go forward for 4 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. On 1, we stop. Let's do that all together. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, shuffle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop on 1. After this, we go left. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do that again. Later on we will add the turn, but for now this is enough for someone who is a beginner to learn it more quickly. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. We'll do it again, but this time with a turn. The turn we make after we walk forward for 4 steps, and then when we come to number 8, we turn and then we tap on 1. Now to make this more clear for your body, so you can remember the turn, when we step forward with our left foot, we will turn it a little bit out, and then we'll do the turn gradually, like that. 8, 1. Okay? Alright, let's do that part together with the first part of this choreography. Listen to my count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Very good. From here we go left again as we did before the turn. So we always turn to the left and go to the left. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you're ready to go from the beginning. Okay, let's do that all together. Listen to my count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Now if you're ready, we'll do it a bit faster. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, that was it. Now we will do it with the music. If you can't follow because the music is pretty quick, don't worry, just practice a little bit longer in your own time, and then you can join us later. Woo! found this tutorial useful. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.